Hi, I'm Rhonda and welcome back to my studio and my potter's journal for a small kiln opening. Just so you know, this is an L&L plug and play. It plugs into a regular outlet, and this is Elliot and he's rather fabulous. And this is Chanticleer. He is my studio guardian. And we're going to open this and see how things turned out. Ooh. Okay, that's interesting. This is, what is this? This is Strawberry Sunday, and it ran. It was, so this is the white B mix with iron wash, and then I did 2 coats of snow, and then 2 coats of Strawberry Sunday, and it ran. And this one is like really stuck and it cracked. I've never had one of these crack before, but obviously the snow didn't arrest the movement of the jungle gems. This is that speckled buff again, and blue hydrangea, 2 coats, and this will end up being a wind chime with these other pieces. I'm just going to pull this up and move it out of the way. The second shelf, these of course will be magnets. This one here is Pink Pixie, and this one here is Fruity Freckles. They do have snow underneath, and it's interesting that the snow on these didn't do what the ones on the top shelf did. All of the smaller pieces that you see are going to be earrings. It's really exciting. It looks like this is that Strawberry Sunday, and it ran with that one too. I can grind that and fix that, but it seems to be the only one of the jungle gems that ran. So we have, I think this is Mardi Gras. This is Strawberry Sunday. This is Poppy Fields. And this one right here is Mixed Melon. And of course this one right here is just radiant red underglaze with white underglaze dots. Really, really exciting. I went a little crazy making these because I sent a pair to my friend Angela at AP Pottery, and she wears them all the time. So I'm going to go visit her, and I'm going to take her more earrings so she can change her earrings. I'm sure she changes her earrings, but she needs more mushroom earrings. All right, this, we have the black and white, which is of course Ink Spot. And then next to that, the blue with the green is Mountain Moss. This one here, and oh, that is so pretty. Lindy Lou from Lindy Lou Pottery suggested this one. This is a berry tart. That's pretty. And then this one here, that's Jazz Notes. That's so soft. So pretty. Jungle gems are cool. I'd like to thank all of those other potters out there who started using them, and I was watching you on YouTube, and like Nat from Mud Magic and everyone, because here we are. Now these are the stems, and this is just B-Mix with the iron wash. And they will, the larger ones, sorry, get my hands out of the way, will hang like this, and they dangle, and then you have a mushroom. All right, the other thing I want to share with you, because I'm so excited about it, is the March challenge from Tufts Studio in their calendar for this year. And it is a bamboo waste paper basket. And it is fabulous, and it is the largest thing that I have ever made. And it is amazing. And I was going to run a bisque load in my kiln, but I think I'm going to wait and let this lovely dry and then take everything out and repack it, because I have this and it's going to need space. Or I may just run the bisque and then run this thing by itself because it's a monster. So thank you for being here, and thank you to everybody who's subscribed and watches my videos and comments and asks me questions and just is all around such a beautiful, supportive community. I would never have imagined that I would have met some of the amazing people that I've met, and it brings me so much pleasure and so much happiness. I hope that whatever you're doing, that you find something today that brings you joy, and I'll see you next time.